So we are ready.
Praise God.
Hallelujah.
This is my son. I've
Your
named
name,
him
please?
Miracle.
Okay.
I'm Albertine.
Okay, Mme Albertine.
Yes, this is my son. I named him Miracle.
It's the son. His named him rather Miracles.
Yes, because he came at a time that I least expected. I had a problem with my reproductive organ, that's scanty menses. For years, I've been struggling with it. I've gone to hospitals. I've spent. They even told me I have endometriosis.
Endometritis.
So I was so afraid that they did so many things. They cleaned my womb and I've struggled with it. So I was so afraid that I may not conceive.
And before that, were you married?
Not yet. Yes.
So it's possible for a young girl who has not yet gotten married to be experiencing menstrual problems. Do you know what that means? I call it an attack against your reproductive life in the future.
Yes.
Okay, tell us.
Then I come across Brother King. He was my teacher. He taught me radiology in Polytechnic. The first day he entered the class, I sat beside another student. He said, "What is wrong with your menses?" And the girl stood up and said, "There's nothing wrong." But I knew in my heart that question was for me.
Oh,
yes.
Wow. So I got a word of knowledge in my spirit and I asked, I couldn't get the lecture properly.
Yes.
Okay.
So I came up for him and I explained things to him. He prayed for me and said, "Your menses is restored." Menses that have not been coming, sometimes it comes a day and it will not even flow. You just come a drop and it goes. He prayed to me and said, "Your menses is restored." I left. The next month that the dates that I was expecting, it came and just a drop. After he had prayed for me, it came a drop and stopped.
Praise God.
I called him again. I told him I have come and he has not come very well. After the day that it came, I stood about 4 days. There was nothing again. So I called him and I told him about it. He said, "Come, I will still pray for you. You are restored. I've told you you are restored."
Come on, say second thought.
Yes.
Second thought.
I came.
You pray with that season,
yes.
You will get the results you want.
I came in that same month. He prayed for me. Before I reached the house, I was already menstruating normally.
You left the prayer venue.
Yes.
By the time you were getting to the house, menses started.
It started again in the same month.
Praise God. Praise God. This is amazing. Then you got married because you have a child here now.
Yes. I was having problems with my relationship.
Okay.
Then before I realized in my mind, my fiancé called me and said, "I want us to settle down." When I was already thinking of breaking the relationship because I thought maybe he doesn't want us to settle down as couples.
The Lord will cause you to settle down in Jesus' name.
Yes.
Someone here is getting married.
Yes.
By the power in Jesus' name.
Yes.
So he called you that you need to settle down.
Yes.
You need to settle down. You know, settle down. Praise God.
Yes.
And you really settle down.
Yes.
Praise God. Okay.
So then the day before my marriage, I had headache. So a severe headache that I did not even understand what is happening.
Headache on the eve of your marriage?
Yes, on the eve.
Okay.
So I called him again that I'm having severe headache. I don't know what is happening to me. That tomorrow is my marriage proper. He prayed for me. He prayed for me. I are restored. Before the next day, I was fine.
Do you know what it means to have severe headaches eve of your marriage?
Yes.
If you call for a wedding party, how many remember mine? And something happens that is not going to happen again. You know now. Praise God. And you got healed. I didn't learn about this. This is amazing. And finally, you got married.
Yes.
And here's the song.
Yes.
Miracle.
My song, Miracle.
What a name.
Yes. And that same year, I had a blessing. I wrote the SMZ and I had upper credit.
Okay, she wrote the SMZ and had upper credit. She had to specify the grade. It will appear your performance was not like that in school.
Yes. From there till now, I have experienced nothing but peace.
Wow. So you're a nurse, you're a married woman, you're a mother, you have peace, and your menses restored. Give the Lord a shout of praise. Celebrate him Total excitement. Wow. God bless you. Any other thing? Wow. I know there is something, but we will not talk about it right now. The Lord will bless this child. Indeed. Then himself as the acceleration of miracles in your life.
Amen.
Woo. God bless you so much, Mme Albertine. Please take your seat.